I'll show you how to use the verb work in the simple future tense. Here is the verb work in the simple form, or we may call it present form. Here it is in the past form. Here is the verb as past participle, and then working is in the present participle. So work, worked, worked, and working. So today in this session, we will learn about simple future tense. Use the simple form or use the simple future tense for future activity. So it is actually used for something that is going to happen in future. So use future simple tense for future activity. So here is the present on the timeline. This is right now present, and before this it is past. And the future is any time after now, after present. The future is going to be any time after this particular point onward. This is now, and the future is any time after now. So it could be right here at this point, or here, but it is going to be there after now. If it is 8 o'clock, right now, then the future could be 9 o'clock over here. The easiest way to form the simple future tense is by using the modal verb will, which is also called a helping verb. Or we can refer to it as a modal verb and use this will with a simple form of the verb. Means will plus simple form of verb. So this is going to be structure for simple future tense. Will work. This is the simple form of verb. Simple form of work, or we may call it present form. So will work. Will followed by simple form of verb. I will work there. Here is the helping verb or modal verb. Here is the main verb. And this is the subject. I will work there. Here is the helping verb, or we may call it modal verb, and after this we are using main verb. The main verb is in the simple form. To make this negative, add not after will. I will not work there. Again, this is the subject and this is modal verb or helping verb. Then we have this negative for this sentence, and then we have the main verb in the simple form, that is work. I will not work there. These two words, will and not, these two words are often contracted. These two words are often contracted to won't. So instead of saying will not, we may go for won't. I won't work there. To make a question, put will first, and then we can use any subject. This is the subject over here. Let's use this one, you. Will you work there? Will you work? This is the main verb in simple form. Will you work there? And then there is a question mark. Use modal verbs or helping verbs with the simple form for the future tense. Modal verb, will, and then simple form of the verb. So we are supposed to use modal verb will and then simple form of the verb for simple future tense. It's important to consider that be going to can substitute for will. So instead of using will, we may use be going to. So in place of be, we can put am, are, or is. Is going to, are going to, am going to. So as I said, it's important to consider that be going to can substitute for will. Be going to can be used in place of will. These are almost the same, and each is used with the simple form work. I am going to work there. I am going to work there. So in this sentence, am going to, this particular portion, am going to, I am going to work there, am going to, these three words, am going to, are about the same as the word will. To make it negative, just put not after am, after the verb be. I am not going to work there. And to make a question, put the verb be, put the verb be first. Are you going to work there? So this is the subject over here. We can replace I with you. If we change the subject to you, then the verb be becomes are. It no longer remains am, because am matches the subject I in these two sentences, but are matches the subject you. Are you going to work there? Another sentence is, we are going to learn English. This is the subject in this sentence, and this is the be verb, be going to. So are going to is equivalent to will. We are going to learn English. So this is the main verb in simple form. We are going to learn English. To make negative, add not just after be verb over here. We are not going to learn English. And to make a question, put the be verb right in the beginning and change we to they Are they going to learn English? So this is the main verb in its simple form. Are they going to learn English? Then there should be a question mark. So this is the subject they, and the verb be matches they, the new subject. Remember that the verb be changes according to the subject. I am. So this verb be is going to change according to the subject. I am. You are. I am going to. You are going to. He is. So this is also the verb be. He is going to. She is going to. Again, this is going to match the subject she. It is going to. So this verb matches the subject it. Then we are going to. So this is another portion where it is in plural form. We, and then the verb be matches the subject we. We are. You are. They are.